Hi folks, this is Rick from AC and Pocono Refrigeration Service. Thanks for tuning in again. Alright, today we're working at Split Rock Lodge, beer cooler. Bad started capacitor, and the condenser was very dirty. Let's see if she's still running. Yep, I can hear it still running. Alrighty. Now you can see I got water here because I washed down the condenser. You can't see it, but it was really dirty. I put this new starting capacitor in, 330 volt AC. Compressor's running. We're good there. Getting cool here. It's an R12 unit. You can see the remnants of some other people working on it before. So if you need any walk-in cooler or any refrigeration air conditioning service, give us a call, 484-764-7738. We're open 24 hours a day. Let's go inside and see what we got in here. Yes, it's getting cooler. We checked both evaporator fan motors, good to go. And evaporator coil's not too bad at all. I'm going to have to check that out. Looks kind of leaky right there. Got a small leak in that unit. Oh boy. Yeah, that's oil, so I'm going to have to check it with a leak detector and see what we got going on there. Alright, thanks folks for tuning in. Please give us a call, 484-764-7738. Be safe and have a great day. Thank you, buddy.